All the day long, whether rain or shine, she's a part of the assembly line. She's making history, working for victory. Rosie the Riveter keeps a sharp lookout for sabotage, sitting up there on the fuselage. That little frail can do more than a mill can do. Rosie the Riveter. Rosie's got a boyfriend, Charlie. Charlie, he's a Marine. Rosie is protecting Charlie, working overtime on the riveting machine. When they gave her a production E, she was as proud as a girl could be. There's something true about red, white, and blue about Rosie the Riveter. Everyone stops to admire the scene. Rosie at work on the B-19. She's never twittery, nervous, or jittery. Rosie the Riveter. What if she's smeared full of oil and grease, doing her bit for the old Lend-Lease? She keeps the gang around, they love to hang around. Rosie the Riveter. Rosie buys a lot of war bonds. That girl really has sense. Wishes she could purchase more bonds, putting all her cash into national defense. Senator Jones, who is in the know, shouted these words on the radio. Berlin will hear about, Moscow will cheer about Rosie the Riveter.